Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. This is a choice of 3 long wheelbase 4 metre high roof Sprinter fridge vans. They've got the GAH fridge units fitted, 2017 and a 2017 67 regs, 117 267s, all the same spec, premium editions with the air conditioning, long wheelbase, 1 owners. Nice clean vans all round, come direct lease from Mercedes-Benz. Give you a look around this one. This is a 67 reg. I'll give you a look at the other 2 in one moment. All the same spec. Side doors. Got the fridge units there. Slab back doors. Cloth seats. 6-speed gearbox, multi-function steering wheel, Bluetooth cruise control. Pre-wire navigation system, air conditioning. There's your fridge units there. They've all got the track scanning as well. Overmats fitted. Nice clean 1 owner vans, still under manufacturer's warranty. 314 engines. Euro 6. The original premium edition wheel covers there as well. So that's the first one there. Overnight standby there on the side. Got the colour coded grille and the chrome on the grille there. So here's the other ones as well. We have a 2017, same spec, premium edition, and another 67, same spec there. So 3 in total. Lots more Sprinter vans in stock. If you're just looking for the normal van, we've got the vans in as well. Also the latest model ones. Also got some small fridge vans and chiller vans in stock. Nissan Navaras and Nissan NV200s. Anything else you'd like to discuss, just drop us an email, give us a call. We are here 7 days a week. Okay, thanks for watching the video.